So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can install Arduino software IDE on PC or laptop. So first of all, open the Chrome browser on a PC. Now here search for Arduino IDE. Press enter to open it. Now click on this first link. Now click on this cross icon. Scroll down. Now here click on this drop down menu. And from here select Windows 10 or newer. Click on download. And this will start downloading Arduino on a Windows PC. Wait until the software is downloaded. And now the software is downloaded. Open it. Now minimize this window. And you will see the setup wizard. Click on I agree. Click on next. Click on install. And this will start installing Arduino IDE setup. And now the setup is installed. Click on finish. And once you do this will run Arduino IDE on a PC. So this way I can install Arduino software IDE on Windows PC or laptop. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.